bear. Oh, I just drove right through the bear. This isn't a Suron though, this is a Talaria, but...
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that?
Okay, yeah, what up YouTube? I just did some battery mods on the battery tray in my bike, and I will do a little video to show people what I did. And I'm now at the bottom of the Gauntlet because we had a crazy rainstorm today, but now it is sunny and I'm gonna hit the Gauntlet one time and I'm gonna hear, I'll tell you right now off the bat, game changer. I can wheelie 60% easier because now the battery is not going ba-boom, ba-boom, and changing my momentum or my shifting my weight. Anyway, yeah, so battery tray, huge upgrade. Okay, here we go, the Gauntlet. Let's get a good view. Am I all the way up? Yes, I am. Huge bumps. Oh my God. Oh my God. Listen to that. Listen to that. Oh my God, it's so quiet. I gotta say shout out to the two cop, or the one guy, whoever it was, shout out to you because I've really been, like, I'm just so busy. Oh my God, I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm so busy trying to ride and edit some videos and do all my other things I gotta do. I never, for the life of me, thought that, I don't know, I wasn't hearing the sound, man. Thanks to whoever did that. Oh, that was crazy. I don't know what just happened, but I think I might have got a flat tire. Let's check. Woo, I just felt something like twerk, like crazy. Okay. What am I feeling right now on the back of my bike? I always think that tree is someone every time I come up here. I'm not on eco, am I? Oh, almost crashed. Trying to see if I'm on eco. No, we are on sport. Okay. Oh, tried to jump that one, but it didn't work. Not like a regular bike. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, I just drove right through the bear shit. I felt something hit my face. Oh no. That's horrible. Bear shit on my face. Whoa! Woo, I was right at the top, getting a little cocky there, people. Okay. Right at the top. And there we are. We're up. And then, for the hell of it, we're gonna go down this one. Wait, are we actually recording? Yes, we're recording. I got it fully pinned back. I don't know if the view is too crap or what. It's hard to say. It's soupy though. That's all I can say. So there's still quite a bit of heavy banging going down this. I don't know what it is, what we're banging down. But now that I've got the battery, I don't think the battery's banging around, but we'll see. Maybe I lost some of those rubber pieces or something. It's really raised, man, but it's really wet, so I can't really hit it too hard on any of this. But here we are, right at the bottom. Okay. Hopefully that footage was better than the other day. And you guys, hopefully you can see this. I'm gonna stand and ride this up. Definitely seems quieter to me, but I don't really know. I don't know if I can stand this whole thing. It's kind of crazy. I need to not stand on this for a second. It's killing me. There's a big ass hill. Over these rocks. Whoa, it's so slippery over the rock. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, holy shit. I don't want to hurt myself. Okay guys, we're out. I can't tell if it's quieter or not. That sound could literally be this cap hitting. Could be this. What is that sound? Okay. Right off the bat, I can tell. Right off the bat, I can tell that something is loosened up on me. I don't know what it is, but I wonder if it's that. Okay, well, hopefully we can suss out what the fuck's happening. What's that sound coming from? So slippery. Oh my god, I almost died. Oh, don't watch that. Visor down. I need some fucking goggles and another helmet. comes off the ground the tiniest bit. It's just such a thrill. There's a fun little jump right here. I don't know if you call it a jump, it's like a log ride. Still fun as weird, like throwing up the front with my weight. It's a lot easier to get into the wheelie. It's also kind of sketchy. I don't know if people, it still sounds bad when you put the bike down. It could just be because other people that you see riding this bike are like 150, 160, and I'm 220. I don't really know. I don't know. Could be my setup on my fork. It feels pretty soft, to be honest with you. My fork sags down like quite a bit just by me sitting on the bike. I don't know. Oh. Let's check the fender and see if I fucked the fender up at all. Huh. Wow, the fender like saved the bike there.